The E20 error code on a washing machine indicates a draining issue, typically resulting in water left inside the machine after a wash cycle and unusual sounds during operation. This error can occur due to several causes, including an incorrectly positioned drain hose that extends more than 10 centimeters into the drain, an incorrect drain height of less than 60 centimeters from the base of the machine, a pinched draining hose that prevents water from draining from the tub, a blocked drain pump filter that malfunctions the draining system, and the use of excessive powdered soap that produces thick foam and blocks the drainage system. To fix the error, it's essential to apply the correct solutions. First, position the drain hose correctly by reinstalling it and ensuring it extends no more than 10 centimeters. If the error persists, readjust the draining height of the machine to between 60 and 100 centimeters from the base. Next, inspect the drainage hose for pinches along its length. Check the drainage pump or filter for blockages by opening the flap, removing the filter, and cleaning it with warm water and soap before reinstalling it. If all else fails, consider using less powdered soap to avoid blockages caused by foam. By following these steps, the E20 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can function properly again.